friends, Leigh Brown here. Welcome back to My Kitchen, My Rules. And you know, we're doing a little holiday baking, which is why I have on my red pants. But you can make this recipe that we're gonna do any time of the year. And this is actually a really good time for you to call the children in to watch the cooking video, because this, friends, is so easy that your kids can do it with supervision, because you got to use your oven, you know, be smart and all. And so here's the 3 ingredients you need. You need a cup of Dixie crystal sugar. And see, I've got my Dixie crystals, and look, I gotta show y'all too. They're so nice at Dixie Crystals. They sent me this seal patch sheet, and I'm fixing to use it. This is actually really good for the cookies we're fixing to make. And if you don't have one, you can put a piece of parchment paper on your cookie sheet. It will make these things come up off of there easier. So let's get 1 cup of sugar, and then, so Shazam, we need 1 egg. Got my 1 egg here, and it's just a regular large egg. I'll tell you the secret on eggs, I do not buy extra large unless they are about the same price as large, because I do not think there's a lot of difference. And you can argue with me and at me all you want, but I'm right, because it's my kitchen. And then we need a cup of peanut butter. Can y'all guess what we're making now? A cup of sugar, an egg, and a cup of peanut butter? That's right, we're making peanut butter cookies. Today we are using Peter Pan Natural, and because I like their natural, because you don't have to stir it up. It doesn't have that sketchy oil on the top. And also, I checked the ingredients, and this one has peanuts, regular sugar, palm oil, and salt. And you can get sugar-free peanut butter, but I don't know why you would, frankly. That's up to you, and that's between you and the Lord, I guess. And so let's do about a cup of peanut butter, which in my experience is about that much on your giant spoon, twice. And so there we go. Now we're gonna mix that up. And this is kind of a messy one, friends. And so if you are a dirty bird, then you're gonna love it. If you're clean, you might freak out. So I'm gonna take off my rings. I did already wash my hands. I always do that before I start my videos, because after we mix it, we're gonna have to take them out a tablespoon at a time and roll them up to put on the sheet. So I'm gonna mix it up and be right back in 2 shakes. All right, so look, the reason I really had to pause is because the peanut butter cookies that I am making are for my daughter, who requested this for her birthday cake. She doesn't really care for cake, I do. But for her, she said, Mama, make peanut butter cookies for my birthday. I said, all right, I'm down with that. It's 3 ingredients, fast and easy. And I forgot to tell y'all, your oven right behind you should be preheating at 350 degrees. So it's not a whole lot of strokes. And the good thing about the sugar and the peanut butter and the egg is that really you don't have a whole lot of things that you could over mix here. Now some folks will roll their peanut butter balls in sugar to give it a different consistency. That is not my style, friends. So I'm just going to take up a ball here and make it into, you know, a ball. Some people refrigerate theirs. Now these don't spread a whole lot, so just FYI, they don't have a lot of those rising ingredients in it that are going to make it spread. So get the size you want, because it ain't really going to change a lot from that. And we'll get these put on the cookie sheet, about yay big. So you see there, they look so fun. And then the next thing you'll do after you get them on the cookie sheet is take a fork. This is when you use your fanciest implements, you know, so step up and take that fork and make your cross hatches. Y'all know a good peanut butter cookie has the cross hatches on the top, and make them however you want to make it. I mean, you can be decorative, do a cross, do a star, whatever. So see, that's gonna flatten it out. Remember, that's the size you fixing to get. So if you don't like it, you better fix it right now. So I'm gonna keep going, get my whole tray full here. And just in just a minute, you will have a messy person in your kitchen. So that's why you wanna be with your children, so you can help them wash their hands. Law, sometimes I am forgetful. I just don't know why y'all follow this cooking channel, but I forgot to tell y'all, when you put these cookies in the oven at your 350 degrees, they're gonna cook for 12 minutes. And I know that's very precise, but you know, this is baking. So in 12 minutes, you're gonna see what we have there. And then you're gonna have a real problem, because if you have a glass of milk, or even better, after the kids go out of the room, get you a glass of Bailey's, and then you stick that cookie in there, you will be one happy individual. I'll see y'all in 12 minutes. Okay, y'all ready to see these? Wonderful finished product peanut butter cookies. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, they spread just a wee tiny bit, but not much. I mean, you can see they're pretty much the same size we started with. Yum! Ready for action. That is a record time for a recipe. And if you want more ideas and more recipes, you can go to dixiecrystals.com. They have a Facebook page, an Instagram channel, and there's even a sweet community online where you can make some friends and share your recipes and ideas. But in the meantime, make sure you mash the subscribe button and give me some stars, and come visit me next time and you'll see what you get in my kitchen. Bye.